Last time on Get Lost Traveling. I've recently moved to Vietnam, and with Saigon as my home base, I've started traveling again. I'm solo traveling South Thailand.
I was sure that it'll be easier to clear you from my mind. Struggle with dusty corners so we'll feel we'll fade bombs. Bomb, bomb, bomb.
And in this series of videos, I'm going to 6 towns and islands in southern Thailand for the next 4 weeks.
Come on, shine. Let our heavy had to break free from the minefield that you are. Bomb, bomb, bomb.
I just finished 5 days on Koh Tao. The weather was a little bit disappointing, but only because it negatively affected my scuba diving. But overall, I really enjoyed my time there. In this video, I'm traveling from Koh Tao to Khao Sok National Park, and I spend my first full day exploring the area on Motorbike. I visit a temple dedicated to monkeys and take a self-guided trek inside the park to see its waterfalls and wildlife. Come get lost with me. I am leaving Koh Tao today. I've got a ferry at about, I think, 9:30. And I'm supposed to make it over, actually go down to the lobby area so that I could get picked up at 8:45, which is roughly about 5-10 minutes away. This ends Koh Tao. It's been a really nice day, and now it's off to Khao Sok National Park. And I'll be there for a few days, but today's gonna be travel. I'm gonna get there at about 5 o'clock this evening. Hopefully it's not, the waves aren't as bad because the weather's been kind of crappy and the sea's been really, really rough from my understanding. People were throwing up in the other boats where I had friends traveling. So now it's time to go check out and get on the road. Now we're checking in at the counter for the tickets. I am on my way to the boat, and it's gonna be a long, long day. The ferry crossing is 3.5 hours. Holy cow, look at the weather. The sea is crazy. Things are a lot calmer now compared to it before. The storm clouds over there, but ahead of us is completely clear. It ended up only raining about 20 minutes, and once it ended, I dried up pretty fast. The rest of the ferry ride was much more bearable. We're here at Seratani, and yeah, I'm getting off and finding my way. Actually, there's a bus that's gonna take me to Khao Sok. Well, I have to go to Seratani City and then over to Khao Sok on another bus. Okay, so I am on my way to Khao Sok, and this is my transportation over here. And just waiting for the driver to get everybody. This leg of the trip was 3 hours, and I finally arrived in Khao Sok, where I'll be spending the next few days. Hello. Just got here at the little bungalow. I'm coming in here, and we have a mosquito net over the bed, and the bed is a queen size bed. Got a couple of nice windows over here and over here to the little patio area out in front. And then, yeah, the bed, there's a little hanging area for the clothes. There's also some water and coffee and things like that. And then back here, there's a toilet here. And the toilet is actually pretty nice. It's got its own little separate shower area, got some soap and shower gel. For this, it's $93 and for 3 nights, and we'll be doing some activities for tomorrow. I think I'm renting a bike. We're gonna go check out some stuff. I've been hearing about Khao Sok for quite a bit, and so it's gonna be fun. I'm looking forward to this. So yeah, it's been a long day. It is past 5:30, and it's morning, and it is a really nice morning today. Sun is shining. Actually, here's a view of how my bungalow looks. Got its own little entrance here, little porch area. It's time for me to go and get a bike because it is time to go explore the island a little bit. So it's time to go get some breakfast here.
Coffee or tea first?
Can I get tea?
Tea?
Yeah, thank you. Breakfast is included in my stay here, and I got some scrambled eggs. I'm booking some stuff to do and over the next couple days. But today I'm getting a bike, and maybe we'll keep the bike for tomorrow as well and go around and stuff like that. Should be pretty fun to have a bike. I really like riding, so it's gonna be fun today. Probably go around looking at some waterfalls and drive around. So we have breakfast here. We got the scrambled egg, a little bit of veggies, toast. We also got orange juice and tea, along with all the condiments.
Where are you from, David?
I'm from California, so I'm actually on the roadside. I just got my bike. It's definitely a bike that I've ridden before, so it should have no problem getting around or anything like that. And I just found locations for the waterfalls and viewpoints that I want to check out. So we're gonna go and do that right now. Today is just gonna be a nice, easy day. It's my first day in Khao Sok. It's time to just go and, ooh, there's some limes here. Check out some stuff and see where the motorbike can take me. And there might be a little bit of hiking and stuff like that. Right off the main road, this is, my bike is actually parked right there, and just down here. And this is a waterfall, which I don't know the name of because it's all in Thai. It is quite the sight to behold. Actually comes from way up top over there. Looks pretty nice, actually. It is pretty damn picturesque. Now it is time for me to head back to the bike, and I don't know where I'm going yet. This is kind of a wing it day type thing. Normally this is what I do on my first day. It is just time to explore a little bit, and like it's just right off the main road. It's really quick to find this location. I'm just driving along and I don't know what this place is. It looks like it's a temple. It costs 20 bahts to get in. Oh, there's monkeys around. That's gonna be dangerous as hell. Let's see what's in here. But I saw over there is more monkeys. So it's gotta be some kind of temple. And looks like it's an ode to the monkeys. There's a little bit of an altar over here. It looks like a Buddhist altar. There is a Buddhist monk here. And let's take a look at this little altar here. And she looks like a nun.
กระทำกระทรวงรักษาให้ปลอดภัย
I forgot. So it's probably a temple for the monkeys or something like that. It's very peaceful and very quiet here. There's also a bunch of chickens roaming around in the temple area. Temple here in the center. And then we got a dragon serpent. There's a lot of these all throughout the temples in this country. On this side, there's another Buddha, and this one's a little bit different looking, golden color, and also flanked by two of these dragon serpents. And all in the backdrop of this beautifulness. I am at Khao Sok National Park. It's 200 bahts to get in. Not far from the place I was staying at. And I guess there's a couple of waterfalls, so we go check it out. So we're going to Bangalow Rat Waterfall and Thong Klo Waterfall Nature Trail. It's pretty nice out here. It's a lot cooler as well. Temperature is definitely a bit cooler in this area. Bangalow Rat Nature Trail. So we start over here and it'll take us all around to different places into the final waterfall here. It's actually not that bad of a hike. There's a few people coming and going. The waterfalls are a bit far, about 2 kilometers. Closest is about 1 kilometer. The pool is close by, but the waterfall is a bit of a hike, roughly about 2 to 4 miles. There's a few waterfalls. I probably won't be going through all of them then. I'll probably just walk through and see what I see and then walk back. It's gonna take a little while, but I probably won't be going that far in then. But there is quite a few waterfalls, so if you do want to come, plan ahead, bring a little bit extra water or something like that and a snack, and I'll see how far I can get in. If I can see some waterfall, maybe one, and I'll turn around and go to that pool. Kind of hot today. Ugh. And definitely probably not wearing the right shoes for this little trek here. After having to walk through the mud, I am here. How is it here?
Good.
Good?
I just found 3 leeches on my foot though, so.
Oh, be careful then.
But for the rest, it was great.
Yeah, so we've got to this little pool area, and I guess you can get into the pool here. I think there is a fee to get in. I think it's 40, no fee. Somebody said it looks really nice down here, and I want to see it. At least it took me long enough to get here, walk here, with my feet all muddied. Oh, there's the stairs over there. I don't know why I'm here. Then I am going down the wrong way, but leave it to me to find the hardest way to get down. Little water area, and yeah, it's not something that I want to go into because apparently this lady said that there were leeches in there. She came out with some leeches on her. Done with that little area, and now heading back to the beginning, which is the visitor center and the entrance. But I'm gonna see if I can get to that little swimming area as well. There we are. Not really a waterfall again. It's a bit disappointing. It's not a waterfall. It's a river that went through it, basically. It looks nice though. This is what they call a wood spider. Now, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. You see what I'm looking at? This is what they call a fucking humongous spider. It's about the size of my palm. It's not little. It's massive and scary as fuck. Well, I came down that little trail over there. It's not a really long trail. It's a quite a short trail, and then it takes you to this swimming area. Oh, there's some monkeys. Hello, monkey. Don't want the monkey jumping on me, but he's friendly. I just don't like to get too close to the little creatures because they are wild animals, and prefer not to have them jump on me or do something that I wouldn't want to do to them. And there's a mommy and a baby over here. There's a mommy here, and there's a little baby. I guess I'm in their little area. Well, that's a bit of a treat to see the family of monkeys. That little family of monkey. First I saw the father and just walked by. Kind of freaked me out a little bit. I wasn't sure if he's gonna jump on my back or just sit there, but pretty calm. And just sat there and ate his little leaves. And then mom came along and kind of just walked past me too. And then came the little baby. It's oh god, that was a real treat. Just ordered some food. Ordered a watermelon shake with no sugar added, so it's just gonna be ice and watermelon juice, which would be really good to have right now. I'm kind of stinky. I'm wet from the rain as well as the sweat. My clothes are damp, but I am feeling really good. Today was pretty productive actually. Went and saw the waterfall in the beginning, that site, flew my drone a little bit, and then went to Khao Sok National Park and just walked and saw a few waterfalls, and it's been really good. Right now, I'm kind of beat and I just need some food. Okay, we got some rice and some morning glory. Thank you. And we have some fried omelet with chicken. Next time on Get Lost Traveling, my month-long solo backpacking trip in southern Thailand continues, and now I'm at Khao Sok. I spent the next day going on paid excursions, which had interesting results. It looked like a little crazy Asian guy with a pink raincoat on. And then I make my way to the overnight floating bungalows on Travelin Lake. If you're interested in following along on my journey through southern Thailand and elsewhere in the world, subscribe and turn on notifications for updates. Thanks for getting lost with me, and I'll see you on the next one.